This section of the video is gonna show how to clean the pump basket strainer. So what we're gonna wanna do is we're gonna wanna shut the pump off by hitting this button here. Keep in mind we're running in filter mode. Number 1 is filter mode, number 2 is backwash mode. So we're gonna stop the pump. We're going to close this valve. We're going to close this valve. And we'll close this valve. We will have a little bit of water coming out. It's going to be the water from here down to here, but we can just.
This is what I did the other day when this blew off. I quickly shut it off.
You did? Okay.
Yeah, that stopped it very well. Hey.
And that allows us to have access to the pump basket. This can be cleaned out. Try to pick some of the stuff out instead of banging it up against something, because eventually that will break. And you can see the opening here is going to line up with that. If you try to do it any other way, it just doesn't go in correctly. So when you line it up with that, it sits in there. Make sure you don't have any dirt or debris on the O-ring here. If you do, give it a rinse.
Any value to putting like a petroleum jelly on it or any lubricant of any kind?
I wouldn't, only because the moment you do that, if you get a little bit of debris on there right now, it should rinse off with water. But the moment you put magic lube or anything of that sort,
No, I don't mean
stuff
glue.
just stuff sticks to it.
Yeah.
Magic lube,
Oh,
not
lube,
not
I'm sorry.
glue,
Which
lube.
I think I have in there. Okay.
Yep, magic lube. That's what we would use.
Yeah.
I would only use that if you have a difficult time getting this sealed.
Okay. Yeah, I'll keep it away from it.
So now that that's clean, we just reverse the process. Open, open, open. We're gonna press 1. And you can see it says stopped, so we're gonna wanna hit start.
Perfect.
And it's gonna start off slower at 1800 RPM. Once it knows it catches prime, it goes to the setting at 2600 RPM.
So that one's 28, this is 26?
Correct. And that is programmed within the number 1 button.
Cool.
So you just press 1 and the system knows it's going to run at 2600 RPM.